Hey, welcome back. Let's take a look at mole-to-mole conversions. With mole-to-mole conversions, we will be taking atoms or compounds in mole units and converting them into mole units of a different atom or compound in a chemical equation. Let's take the following equation we have here, nitrogen and oxygen becoming ammonia, and we're going to balance it out. Put a 2 here, 3 here, and a 1 here. Now we have the same number of atoms on each side. Let's propose a question. How many moles of ammonia will be produced if 5 moles of nitrogen are used? The first thing I'm going to do is always write down my given, which is 5 moles of nitrogen, some conversion factor, and that will equal my answer units. In this case, moles of NH3. Answer units always go on top, so moles of NH3 goes on top. Adjacent units go on bottom, so moles of N2 go on bottom. Now I look up in the equation and I find the number in front of NH3. That's 2, so I put a 2 here. The number in front of N2 is a 1, so I put a 1 here. And when I do the math, I get the answer to be 10 moles NH3. All right, let's take a look at another problem. How many moles of H2 are required to produce 3 moles of NH3? The first thing I'm going to do is write down my known, which is 3 moles of NH3. I'll then have a conversion factor. My answer units are moles of H2, so I put those over here. Answer units always go on top, so I'm going to put moles on top of H2. And then my adjacent units, moles of NH3 on the bottom. I find the number in front of H2. It's a 3, so I put a 3 there. Find the number in front of NH3, which is 2. Put a 2 there. 3 times 3 is 9. Divided by 2, 4.5 is my answer. That's it. See you next time. Bye-bye.